toda la música de él, la técnica y va, no flipado. Cuando flipaba por eso, cuando lo veía en 18 de tocar, las cosas de él, allí en México, se quedaba flipado, claro, imagínate eso.
What is flamenco? We have to say first that, because when we say, is this flamenco sound, then what do you understand for flamenco? It may be different from what I do understand flamenco is. So, according to Paco de Lucia's definition, we'll post at the description the link where he said it, flamenco has to have the element of improvisation in there. And therefore this exploring new territories, etc., is very important for our concept. And well, of course, with the guitars happened the same thing, meaning that these instruments are totally different from the traditional flamenco guitars. So when you say flamenco sound, this means same thing always. There is 20 million repetitions of the same cypress thing, the rosewood thing, the negra traditional, everything. But this surrounding concept, and of course Paco was so much supporting this from many years ago, and encouraging this evolution, evolving towards futuristic stuff like what comes next, not living in the past. Therefore, for those who are of an avant-garde mind, an open mind, want to test different concept, then this guitar is the most suitable. But if you are into the sound or used to sound of traditional flamenco guitars, then don't play this, because this will not give you that. That is just barren, small metallic sound, contracted sound, in our view, right? And then of any other instrument which is just a normal guitar, right? Because this one here, just starting from the raw materials it has, right? Like the maple bridge or this Norway top, the San Portal, maple neck, etc. It's so different, the bridge also, the design, the measurements, the feel, and everything is different to a traditional guitar. Therefore, it will not fulfill what you think it is. This is only for modernistic people. Right? This is what this thing. And I have many friends which are used to old-fashioned guitars. I did also learn to play with old-style guitars. And in fact, this is because of your second question, that about the fretboards, and in fact, this thing of the weight it has on the left hand affects playability totally. And the sound comes from you. The sound doesn't come from the guitar really. The sound comes from you playing it. So when you flow there, you have to feel the guitar in such a way that you can flow better. That's what we are searching for. And therefore, prejudice regarding materials, or the guitar has to be cypress or has to be unbreathable. Who said that? Why? This is not the Diaz ideas, right? So he was such a progressive man, and man of futuristic ideas also. And, well, we just see how he reinvented flamenco, and he did encourage so much research on this field to get an instrument which can satisfy other needs, right? Other needs means not traditional need, but need for a perfect fretboard tuning and for other kind of feel of the sound of power playing also. When we play rhythm, let's say, with this stop and this bridge here, percussive aspect also that no other guitar can give me. So that's why I did also start playing traditional guitars as everyone. But I got really tired of the same thing, and really there's no choice out there. Because say if you will get this ebony fretboard thing, and all are the same, really speaking. So the pulsation, the weight here and all that will be the same. So it makes no difference which one you choose. When you choose something, you choose from one thing to a different thing, not from two of the same. But of course, there are tastes for everything, right? Means some other people will, if you want a traditional thing, then this guitar is not for you. That's for sure. That's what I want to say, right? And then, of course, the fretboard, the material, and everything, it changed everything. So if you are willing to get an adventure of playing, and because other people who was also used to playing traditional guitar, just like me, got amazing results by changing to this, right? Because the thing here is how you play better. That's what it is. It boils down to just one thing, that is how you feel playing you. And this is a very personal thing, of course. But for those who search differentiation, then this is the best, that's for sure. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.